Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the fill hose on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged and leaking water. For this repair, all you'll need is a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So as you can see here, we've got a bad hose. It's leaking pretty badly. So you're going to want to make sure your water is turned off. And now we can disconnect the hose with our channel locks. And keep in mind, when you take the hose off, there probably will still be some water in the line. So try not to spill that all over yourself. Unless you really want to. There we go. So as you can see here, we've got water dripping down our wall, and that's never a good thing either. So you want to get that cleaned up as soon as you notice the leak, because otherwise it's going to ruin your paint and possibly cause a mold issue down the road. So we're just going to get everything as dry as we can. So this is the bad hose right here. So we're going to take our channel locks once again, and we're going to loosen the hose and take it off. Alright, there we go. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose, which has a 90-degree connection. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And also keep in mind, this hose does not come with any of the rubber washers. So if you need new rubber washers, you can also order those separately. So I've taken the hose washers out of the other hose that was damaged, and I'm placing them into our new hose. There's one, and there's the other one. All you have to do, just pop it right in there, push it down. There we go. And now it's ready to screw on. So now our hose with a 90-degree angle here, I'm going to put that on the end that connects to the washer, and it'll make our life a whole lot easier when we're putting everything back on. As you can see here, because we've got such a tight area to work with, so we don't have a big fat hose in our way when we're trying to screw this back on. And now we can use the channel locks, tighten it up. And I'll finish tightening it up with our channel locks. There we go. Now we'll attach it back to our wall. And finish tightening it up with our channel locks. So now we're going to turn our water back on really slowly just to make sure there's no leaks. And we've got it all the way on now. And you can see there's no leak on there. So now you can finish hooking everything else back up, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.